In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for your Wix website, even if you're a beginner. The process is straightforward, ensuring that anyone can follow along and complete it successfully. Let's dive into it. First off, navigate to the website MeQR. Here you'll find a simple and accessible tool designed to create QR codes effortlessly. To get started, look for the option that says Create New QR and give it a click. This step is crucial as it takes you to where you'll begin your QR code creation journey. Once there, you'll see several options available. You can select what kind of QR code you'd like to create, but for our purposes right now, let's focus on a URL or link. So click on the URL or link option. This is pivotal because it allows you to direct anyone who scans your QR code straight to your Wix website. Now you need to gather your Wix website's URL, copy that URL, head back to the QR code generator, and paste it in the designated area. Pasting the correct URL ensures that users are directed to the right web page when they scan your QR code. Next, it's time to customize. Click on Customize and download QR to proceed. Here you can add a personal touch to your QR code. Perhaps you have brand colors in mind, or certain design elements you'd prefer. This customization step is where you can infuse your own style and make the QR code feel just right for your website. Once you're satisfied with your design tweaks, download your QR code to your computer. This file will likely save as a PNG image, which is easy to use across various platforms. Now let's integrate this QR code with your Wix website. Open your Wix editor, which is the platform where you manage your website's content and layout. Locate the plus icon to start adding your QR code to the site. This icon allows you to insert a variety of media elements, including images. Select Upload Images, and then it's time for a simple drag and drop. Take the downloaded QR code image file from your computer and drop it into the designated area within Wix. This immediate action inserts the QR code onto your site, making it accessible to anyone visiting. And there you have it. You've successfully created and added a QR code to your Wix website. This code is a powerful tool ready to direct users directly to your site with just a quick scan. It's that easy, and now your website is even more connected to the world around you. Remember, QR codes are versatile and they make sharing your online presence simpler and faster for everyone involved. Thanks for watching and happy QR coding.